Imagine creating a stunning 3D animated film like this, not with a full studio, but with just your laptop and a sprinkle of AI magic. What if I told you that anyone, even if you've never touched animation software before, could bring their wildest stories to life in breathtaking detail? Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal how you can dive into the world of 3D animation using tools so powerful they're rewriting the rules of filmmaking. Let's dive in. Today, I will use the Luma AI Dream Machine to create our animation video. Luma AI recently released the Dream Machine, and some of the outputs coming out of this tool are really amazing. In this video, we will explore how we can use this for animations. I have put the link in the description. Just head over there and you will be on this page. Now click on the Try Now button from here and sign in with your Google account. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be on this page. Here you can see some of my previous generations. The good thing is, they actually have a free tier where you get about 30 generations per month for free. So, we can try the tool for free at this moment. Alright, to create your own video clips, you have to enter the text prompt here in this box. You can even turn any image into a video. Let's try using a text prompt first. I am simply typing, "A boy and a dog walking in a lush jungle." It's a pretty basic prompt. If you want to enhance the prompt, then click on the Enhance Prompt checkbox. Here you will find another option called Loop. If you turn on this feature, your video will be generated in loop mode. This means it will start where it ends. Once you are done, hit the Send button. You can see that Dream Machine starts its work. It will take some time. Let's fast forward through this part, and here it is, the result is ready. Look at the video quality. It's just amazing. The light and composition are just perfect. You can't see any unusual activities here. And most importantly, the scene and character are very consistent. I love it. That's not the end. You can extend the video length also. You just have to click on the Extend button from here. You can see that our video has been added as the reference video. Now we have to add the additional prompt. For example, I am typing, "A tiger is looking at the boy and dog from behind a big tree." Now hit the Send button to generate the video. And here is the extended version of the video. That's amazing. I love the result. So, now you can extend your video to make it perfect, like a film. Alright, the video generation capability is just awesome. But there is a catch. As I told you at the start of the video, we will create an animated film. We can do it by customizing the prompt. For example, I am typing, "A boy and a dog walking in a lush jungle, 3D animation style," and then hit the Send button. And here it is, the video is ready, and you can see the result. This time, Luma AI generates an amazing animated video clip, and the quality of the clip is so amazing. So, now we can generate both cinematic and animated videos with Luma AI. Another issue is that Luma AI can't generate consistent character videos just yet. Now, if we want to create an animated film, we need to solve this issue. To do that, I will create some images with consistent characters and then turn them into videos with Luma AI Dream Machine. Don't worry, I'm gonna share the method of creating consistent character images using a free method. Okay, open a new tab and then access your ChatGPT account. After logging into your ChatGPT account, go to the GPT store. Here, we have to find a custom GPT called Consistent Character GPT, fast and high quality. If you are a paid user, you can create images directly with this GPT. And if you are a free user, then you can generate the image prompts with this GPT. I will do that. So, before creating any character, paste this prompt into the prompt box. I will put it into the description box. Okay, now we need to describe our character's gender. I already generated a story for my video with ChatGPT. According to my story, we have a young boy and his dog. We have to create the character of the young boy. So, I am typing male. Next, according to the story, I am entering the name of the boy, Ethan. Alright, now we have to write some details about Ethan. So, I am typing, 12-year-old American boy, dark brown hair, white shirt, black pants, big size Converse. And here it is, our character description prompt is ready. Now we have to create images with any image generator. I will do it with DALL-E 3 on Microsoft Copilot. I'm gonna head over to Microsoft Copilot, that's copilot.microsoft.com, create an account for free, and simply paste that prompt here and hit enter. Alright, so you can see we have an image here of Ethan. Now let's create the actual scene. To do that, I will copy the first scene and come back to ChatGPT. Now we have to select the action option. After selecting action from here, paste the scene description in the prompt box. And here it is. Our prompt is ready. Now copy the prompt and paste it into Copilot and then hit the enter button. And here it is. Copilot generates 3 images for us with DALL-E 3. Now select the best one. Now you can notice that the image is in a 1:1 aspect ratio. To make it landscape, simply click here and then select landscape. After some time, you will find the landscape version of the image. Now download the image to your device. Using this method, generate all the images for every scene. I have generated all the images. Sometimes, if you need some minor changes in the background or character, you can do it with the Microsoft Designer tool. Now it's time to generate videos with these images. Alright, come back to Luma AI Dream Machine. Click on the small image icon from here and then upload your image. And this time around, I'm not going to type any prompt. I'm actually going to give it the creative directive and just click on generate and see what it does with it. And for this one, this actually came out pretty good. Most of the time you get a lot of weirdness if you give it the complete creative directive. So here's an example where I didn't have a prompt. You can see there are some unusual movements and morphing, which I don't like at all. So now I will add the prompts to see the difference. Basically, I will add the scene description according to the storyline. And this is the result. You can see, this time the result is just incredible. So in my opinion, the image plus describing what you want it to do gets you the best results from the many examples that I've tried. And sometimes what I do is also take the exact prompt that I used in the image generator. And here's an example of that where I attached this image and I gave it the exact same prompt that I used in DALL-E. And the result is so amazing. So, in my opinion, in general, if you want to get the best of this, generate your image from an image generation tool, bring it on here, and use the exact same prompt or a similar prompt that you used in the image generator on this, and then add additional kinds of animations that you would like to see the character doing, like moving their hands, moving their heads, and things like that. Using that method, generate videos with all the images you have created already. Okay, our video clips are ready. What's next? You may have noticed that my video character is talking. So, we need to create lip sync. You can do it with various platforms like SyncLabs, Acool, or tools like Lalamoo Studio. Today I will use Acool to generate the lip sync. To do that, log into your Acool account, now come to the Platform tab, and select the Realistic Avatar option. Now click on the Get Start button. This is the avatar generator or lip sync generator page. Once you are on this page, come to the Avatar page. Here you will find various realistic avatars, and you can make videos with them. But I want to use our character. To upload our own character, click on the New Avatar button from here. Now upload the first scene where the lip sync is needed. After uploading and selecting the avatar, we have to choose the audio. You can generate audio from text, upload voiceover clips, or create a song. I already created voiceovers for all the dialogues. Now download them and upload the first clip as the audio script. Once it is done, click on the Generate Premium result. You will find the video in my library. And here it is.
Look, Max, I found something.
Our video is ready. Now download the video, and in the same way, generate lip sync for all the necessary clips. Okay, I am done. Now I will assemble all of them with a video editor. After importing all the assets into your video editor, insert them into the timeline in ascending order. Okay, I am done. Now, one last thing. We need background music and sound effects. You can download royalty-free BGM from Pixabay or any other website, or generate them with free AI tools like Suno AI. I already collected some of them. I will place them according to the need. Don't forget to adjust the volume. Alright, after everything is done, export the video to your device. My video has been exported. Let's have a look.
Look, Max, I found something. It's a map. Grandpa must have left it here. It looks like it leads to a treasure. Come on, Max, let's go on an adventure. This forest is so big, but I know we're on the right path, Maxie. This must be one of the puzzles Grandpa mentioned. It says we need to find the stepping stones. But where? Good job, Max. Let's go.
In this way, you can create your animated film with the help of AI. Now, one point to be noted. Due to huge demand, Luma AI Dream Machine allows only 4 video generations per day for free users. If you're serious about content creation, you should buy a subscription plan. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about creating an animated film with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.